My name is Azmal Hussain. I own few restaurants in Brick Lane. We did not go to school for learn knowledge, food knowledge, or but in other people, other countries people, they go to learn know-how about food, hygiene, calorie. When I come in England, 99, it was like if you go to Brick Lane, you are in Bangladesh. But now, completely changed. It is like somewhere in Europe, in my restaurant. So we don't use anything like spray or chemical used in vegetable. We don't buy anything like this. And another thing is chicken and lamb we use British. So that is also another thing. We have too much competition in the same street and cutting each other's price. We have no confidence in ourselves. So this is also another issue. Confidence in ourselves destroy our relationship between two restaurants. Most of the people in Indian shop all are tenants. 90% or 95% don't own their own property. So now, like Crossrail is coming, Hamlets Council is coming in Whitechapel. So I don't know how much rent will rise and how much rate will be rise. Rate is already higher in a one-way street, but now when it will be city fringe, they will rise city's rate. Then what happen, I don't know.